Hey guys, out here in Chicago, not a Triple D place, but this is the world famous Chicago Pizza and Oven Grinder Company. So they do what's called a pizza pot pie. World famous. This place is hard to get into. The last time we tried coming here, no reservations available, none. So back in town and gonna check this place out.
It's black over here. Alright, so this is what it looks like when it goes in the oven. Inside is a ceramic bowl. That's what we line up all our ingredients with, starting with the Wisconsin brick cheese. Top it off with the dough, and then I flip it over and you get a pizza pot pie. Alright. I'm going to try and do this as even as possible.
Okay guys, it was phenomenal. Cooked perfectly, it was delicious. For the experience of this place, come check it out.